Hi, my name is Darren Faulkner of Faulkner & Sons Electrical Services. In this video, I will show you step by step how to professionally install the OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Protect range of LED modules. This is one of 3 videos in a detailed series that shows and explains how to competently install OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Protect. This series also includes guides for installing OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Diffuse top and side and OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Power. Before we get hands-on with the guide, let me spell out the benefits of OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Protect. OSRAM LINEARlight Flex is a range of flexible LED modules that produce uniform lines of light. It gives you the ability to create stunning signage and customised light installations inside and outside, as it is protected to IP67. It comes with pre-mounted connectors and an adhesive strip on the back to make it easy to connect and mount. It is dimmable, flexible and cuttable. Using OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Protect is simple, and I will now show you how to cut, connect and power it. In front of me is the equipment we need. Supplied in the box is a reel of OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Protect with pre-mounted connectors should you want to use the entire reel, user instructions and an end cap. A knife is also essential. We use a knife to ensure that the cut is accurate, as scissors tend to squash the silicone. It's also recommended to use a wrist earth strap to prevent any risk of static damaging LEDs, and gloves to prevent finger grease transfer. All installations should be carried out without a power source being connected. If you want to cut a piece off the reel and connect it up, I will show you how that's done. First, uncoil the reel to the desired length. You now have to cut the module and be aware where the various markings are. Looking over it, on the top surface you have the LEDs. The other side is completely blank, while the side you can see the adhesive tape. The fourth side has the laser markings plus product information. Also shown is the polarity and the cutting markings, indicating the cutting position. On all Protect module ranges, the laser markings are on the side where the negative pole is shown. The positive pole is on the other side. When you look at the module that has the pre-mounted connector, the negative pole is the same side as the cable. This is important to remember, as the connector does not have polarity written on it, but you will have to align the cable on the side where you have the laser markings. The flex should not be cut on its side. The correct way is to lay it flat on the surface, align with the cutting marks and cut smoothly. The flex should be cut in one direction, not backwards and forwards in a sawing motion. Now we have to apply the connectors. Check the cage within the connectors is completely open. If it is closed, you cannot insert the module. Remove the tape from the reverse of the module. Insert the module into the cage, up to the end, and press the connector from the top. Listen for the click. If you see some liquid come from the connector, do not worry. This is grease for the IP protection. The cut part is not IP rated, so that is why we have to apply an end cap. OSRAM uses specific silicone that does not contaminate the LEDs, so this is the only glue you should use. Fill the end cap with a couple of drops of the silicone. Place the cap on the end of the module and make sure the silicone covers the end. The curing time is roughly 1 hour. For the Protect modules, the minimum bend radius is 50 mm. If you want to install LED modules in architectural lighting, ceilings, walls, coves and even paths, professional electricians will find the OSRAM LINEARlight Flex Protect a dream to use. Installation is easy and straightforward, and because the strips are flexible and cuttable, they are an inventive and sustainable solution for countless projects.